Marina's Ocean Quest. Deep beneath the shimmering waves of the Sapphire Sea, a little mermaid named Marina dreamed of adventure. With her dazzling turquoise tail and curious spirit, she longed to explore beyond her familiar waters. One day, she heard whispers of a hidden ocean realm, a place of enchanted creatures and lost treasures. Determined to uncover its secrets, she set off with her best friend Finn, a lively sea turtle. As they swam past glowing caves and swaying kelp forests, they found an ancient map carved on a sunken shipwreck. It led to the Crescent Rift, an abyss where the realm was said to begin. As they entered the rift, glowing jellyfish blocked their path. To pass, answer this riddle, one said. Marina thought carefully and solved it. The jellyfish swayed aside. Deeper inside, they discovered a school of golden seahorses, trapped in a swirling current. Marina rushed to help, using her swift tail to break the current's hold. Grateful, the seahorses gifted her a pearl of guidance, which would glow when danger was near. At last, they reached the hidden ocean realm, where glowing shells guarded a sparkling city. But trouble awaited. A greedy sea serpent had stolen the heart of the ocean, a sapphire that kept the realm alive. Marina and Finn devised a plan. While Finn distracted the serpent, Marina swiftly snatched the sapphire. As she placed it back, the realm burst into brilliant colors, and magic flowed once more. Triumphant, Marina returned home, knowing true bravery is not just seeking adventure, but protecting the wonders of the deep. And somewhere beneath the waves, the hidden ocean realm shimmered, waiting for its next brave explorer.